What am I doing? What? You started?
Yes.
Oh, do it.
So tell us, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to search for a little dog.
The little dog.
The little dog who people dress as Daisy. Go. I have no idea where it is. No. Polar Bear, have you seen a tiny little dog who looks kind of like me?
Well, first of all, the name's Snowball, and second of all, first of all, what you do, you pass the corner on whatchamacallit street, and then you go past Charlie the Unicorn and his bridge thingamabobber with his stupid, thing, I don't know, and you pass a big, tall redwood tree, I think, with a bunch of leaves and stuff, and then you'll pass a river, and then, how do I remember this? Okay, and then you pass another river, and then you find this huge tree.
Thanks for the advice. See ya.
Okay. You're welcome. And then you pass a giant iceberg, which is kind of out of nowhere. And then you keep going.
I don't know why we picked him. Wait, I hear him. Oh, there he is.
Were they having extra super sales at Marshall's?
Oh, come on. Get over here, though, puppy.
See if you can be able to face this one.
This could be alright. We're not supposed to go in there. Because it's, Wow! What was that? The light's up. The sun's up. I know. Open the door slightly. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's do something else. Here's a dog.
Here you go, get a couple more. What are you doing? Get out of your brother's room.
It's the tiny dog!